and welcome to NQT-Resources. My name is Miriam. I myself graduated as a languages teacher of German and French from the IOE in London in 2018 and have since worked in a few international schools. This channel is for you if you are a new teacher or you're in your teacher training and you need a little help or tips and tricks of how to get through this stressful but wonderful profession without losing the plot. NQT-Resources is here to make your life a little easier. I will be covering different topics on teaching, anything and everything that could help you be a little less stressed and more focused on the work and therefore more efficient. So make sure you subscribe if you want to stay up to date with new videos and tips and tricks about the teaching profession and how to manage your time wisely, get on with the marking and all sorts teaching. I'll try and keep all the videos nice and short because I know you've got no time whatsoever. I'm looking forward to your comments in the comment section. I'm more than happy for you to come up with suggestions and I'll do my very best to answer your questions. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.